Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to dual boot Windows and Android x86 on the same computer. You'll be able to choose between Windows and Android every time you start your PC. This means you can run full Windows and also boot into Android whenever you like. I'll guide you step by step from creating a bootable USB to setting up partitions and installing Android alongside Windows. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. So before we start, like the video and subscribe to support my channel. First of all, open your browser and search for Android x86. Open the first website. Once you are on the website, click Download button. Now click on this option, it will redirect you to a new website. Now click the Download button, and your ISO file will start downloading in few seconds. Now we need another tool called Rufus to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open first website and download its latest version. Once both files are downloaded, open the Rufus. Here select your USB drive. Now click on Select and choose ISO file. Then leave all the options as it is and click Start. It will take some time. Once done, click Close. Now we have to make a new space on our PC to install Android x86. To do that, search Create on Search tab. And open this. Now see a drive will free space. Right-click on it and choose Shrink Volume. Now enter the amount of space you want to give. I will recommend to give at least 30 GB. Now right-click on New Space, and choose New Simple Volume. Keep clicking Next. Finally click Finish. Now restart your PC to install Android x86. When your PC restarts, press Boot key of your PC. Boot keys are different for different systems, so find yours according to your system. Now select your USB and press Enter. You will see Android setup screen. Go to Installation option and press Enter. Now choose the drive we created. It is usually at the second last. Now follow all the steps showing on the screen. And that's it, you now have Windows and Android x86 running side by side on your PC. If something goes wrong, you can always boot back into Windows and remove the Android partition. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.